the question of bars. I need to announce to you that since last week, when the President issued the directive that the Inspector General of Police has to submit a report to us every week, we have closed some bars and we have taken some licenses. And some of them for sure, as His Excellency the President directed, we will take licenses for good. Tusijaze na maneno ya maisha ya watu wetu namna hii. Eti unajifanya unaenda kufunga usiku huko, alafu unaenda kuuza huko. Tusianze hii shortcuts hivi. We are thinking we are making a shilling, we are making a shilling there. When in actual fact, you are exposing yourself first, your family, and the rest of the community. Tufuate sheria vile tumeelezwa. We will keep working together jointly and ensure that we succeed. Lastly, the message that our President gives us all the time, we are family. This is a time to come close together. Tuungane sisi wote. We are as strong as we will work together. Hii ni shida yetu. It's time for us to speak to one another, to look out for each other. Those of us who are able a bit, tusaidie wale ambao hawajiwezi. And then we take care of the vulnerable people in our midst. The government will not do everything. But because we have always lived as one family called Kenya, let us try to help our people and help each other and ensure that we keep safe. And by the grace of God, we will cross this bridge. My last request to all of you, our people, let us pray for our leaders who are leading us in this war. Tafadhali tumuombee rais wetu. If you look around the world, how countries have fared in this matter depends on the way they have been led. Our president has stepped up to this mandate spectacularly, and he has led. Tumuombee rais wetu, so that the Lord will strengthen him as he leads us in this. Let us pray for my brother Mutahi Kagwe, the Minister for Health. This is a tough time to be Minister for Health, honestly, very tough. And all of these, my sisters and brothers, you see here in uniform, the health workers, tuwaombee Mwenyezi Mungu awaonee huruma na awabariki, so that the Lord strengthens them, because it's not just about salary. They are also making sacrifices to keep us healthy and to keep us safe. So tuombeane zote wakati huu, and let us go before the Lord all the time with humility, and hope that the Lord will see us through this challenge, even as we do the best we can, as we are told by our leaders, to ensure that we keep safe and we keep secure.